Why, hello, my smooth friends. It's me, Smooth Brain, and today I have another perfume video for you. I'm super excited. This is from one of my favorite perfume companies that make these really interesting combinations of perfume that are different. It's Heretic Perfume, and there is a new collection out by them that has its essence based on the movie The Bride, which is directed by Maggie Gyllenhaal, and kind of from what I hear is a combination of The Bride of Frankenstein and Bonnie and Clyde. So I will wait till that comes out on video. I am a big horror fan, but I am not necessarily a Bonnie and Clyde kind of girl, so we'll see what happens. But the collection I got today, first of all, the box has been fragranced with dirty lemon. Let me smell. Dirty lemon. I love lemon. So the box is beautiful. It comes in this lovely box. This is a sample collection that I got from them. And they always fragrance their boxes, and there's an interesting little card in here. It says 15 threshold. It's like a trading card or something. Very interesting. On the back it has a pattern and a little QR code where myth becomes scent. And then inside the box there's a wrapped section, and in the section is the little collection, and this is called the Rhubarb Thief Collection, and it looks like a book. Also in the box there's like a little pouch here, and I believe this is where they put your receipt. Let me just double check that. Yes, it's the packing slip, so it tells you what's in there. So, I'm making noise. I'm really excited about this. There is obviously one called Rhubarb Thief, which is has notes of rhubarb on it. So look at the package first of all. It's got this cute little bunny there. And then when I open this, it looks like an actual book. It's got like the binding, and it's got pages, and the pages, this is gorgeous. Oh my god. It has a little story in here. So it says Heretic Perfume First Edition, and it has a little quote, "Strangeness is a necessary ingredient in beauty." And that's a quote from Charles Baudelaire. And then look, there's a little story in there with a picture of the bunny. I love this. It's so cool. So I'll be reading that later. If you guys want me to read you a story, let me know, and I will be happy to read this story to you because it looks very interesting. All the pictures are gorgeous. Here's another one with a flask and the bunny, and there's some rhubarb. So they really thought this out. Okay, and then there's 5 different little vials in here to try. The first one is Rhubarb Thief. And as always, I will put all the notes on a little scroll here so you can see what the notes are. But the first one, Rhubarb Thief, is the star of the show. Let's get some little sticks. So, I don't want to get my little book messy. Where is the spritzer end? Oh, that smells so fresh and green. It's got like orange or some kind of citrus in there. but then that green comes through so bright and fresh. Love this. Okay, so that's Rhubarb Thief. And as you know, I'm not good at picking out notes, but I try my best. And I always put what the notes are on the screen so you guys can laugh at me making a mess of the notes. The next one is called Beekeeper. Let's see if it says anything on here. No. But Beekeeper, I'm assuming, will have a sweet honey smell to it. We'll see. It's really hard to see their little spritz thing here. Yes. But it's smoky too. It's so good. Oh, it's got like definitely some smoke. Maybe tobacco, but yeah, it's got like a sweet front that comes through, and then it gets smokier and smokier as you smell it. Oh, it's really good. The next one is called 14 Carrots. And carrots is spelled not like gold, but like the actual carrots you eat. So let's see what this smells like. I'm really enjoying this. I got the Nosferatu perfume when they came out with that, and at first I was really disappointed, but the more and more I used it, I fell in love with it. It was gorgeous. So definitely check out Heretic. If you're afraid to buy a full bottle, get one of their little sets. You get a 2 ml sample of each thing, and as you see, it's kind of like an experience because you get to smell the different things, figure out one you want, and it comes with a beautiful little book. So this one is a lot more subtle. It does have some notes of carrot in it. I don't know if it has some floral or some, like, it has some kind of herby note to it. I will find out what that is because that one is kind of a mystery to me. The next one is called Jasmine Smoke. My newest family member, my great niece, grandniece, I don't know what you call them when it's my nephew's daughter. If you know, let me know because I've always called it a great niece, but it might be a grand niece, I don't know. Her name is Jasmine, so let's see what Jasmine Smoke smells like. And jasmine is a gorgeous flower. My nose is starting to burn out now. I'm going to do a little bit more of that. Yeah, I definitely smell the headiness of the jasmine. But it's not like so sweet and flowery. It's got that depth to it. Yeah, it's got something underneath that gives it some depth. And then the last one is Dirty Hinoki. And Hinoki is a special tree that grows only in Japan as far as I know. And I've tried this before and I freaking love it. It's so good. It's just, it's not like masculine woody, but it's just nice. Let me spray this and see. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. So Hinoki's not like a super woody smell to it. It's like a light wood, I would say. But it smells so good. So I actually really enjoy all of these. I think if I had to rank them, I'd probably put the carrots one. I don't know. The Jasmine Smoke and the carrots one are tied. Then my next favorite one would be Beekeeper. That smoke really is amazing. Then Dirty Hinoki, which I've already fell in love with. And then on the top is this Rhubarb Thief. A new favorite for me, and I might buy a full bottle. Or at least a travel size. I really hope you enjoyed learning about these perfumes from Heretic Perfume. And if you like the look I have on my face, I will link that video in the end here. I'm always looking for more subscribers, so feel free. It's free to do it. And if you have any comments about these perfumes, or if you've tried some other Heretic Perfume perfumes and like them, let me know which ones are your favorite. I will talk to you all very soon. I'm starting to lose my voice, so I think that's it for me today. Have a great day. Be happy, not sad. Bye.